Hello friends, let us see how to make raw mango dal. This is a very tasty and a delicious dal. But before seeing the recipe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here I have some washed and soaked toor dal, raw mango pieces, curry leaves, red chili powder, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, asafoetida or hing, red chilies and green chilies. Add dal to a pressure cooker pan. Add water. Add turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Close the pressure cooker pan. Cook for 3 to 4 whistles. After the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker. Mash the dal. Heat a kadai and add ghee. Add mustard seeds. Add cumin seeds, red chilies and green chilies, hing, curry leaves. Stir well. Add red chili powder. Stir gently. Now add the raw mango pieces. Mix well. Add little water and let the raw mangoes get cooked nicely. Refer to the description for the ingredients list. Pour cooked dal in the kadai. Mix well. Taste and add salt if needed. Mix nicely. Raw mango dal is ready. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Now let us serve the delicious raw mango dal. You can serve this dal with rice, rotis or puris. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.